In this session, we will explore the inheritance games. You will need to have read the book in advance of this session. This is a recorded version of one of my free lesson Fridays. Each month, I run a different free session for home-educated students. You can find the details of next month's session on my Ko-fi page. To start today, we have some riddles. Can you solve the riddles that relate to the book? Riddle 1. I'm built of stone and lined with art. I split, I turn, I fall apart. I look empty, but that's a lie. One step reveals the truth nearby. And riddle 2. I'm not the gold or jewels you see. I can't be earned, I can't be free. I test the mind, reward the brave. The dead still play me from the grave. Can you pause the video and try to solve those riddles that link to the book of the inheritance games? As a challenge, you could try to create your own Hawthorne House inspired riddle. As the answers to our riddles, we have number 1 is a secret passage, and number 2 is the inheritance games themselves. Now let's think about Tobias Hawthorne. In the text it says, Tobias Hawthorne didn't leave a fortune, he left a game. What 3 adjectives would you use to describe Tobias Hawthorne? Do you agree with his actions in the text? And why do you think he left the inheritance to Avery and set up the game? You might want to pause the video while you note down some of your ideas and responses to those questions. Now we have a mini writing task. Imagine that Avery finds another note from Tobias, explaining why he left the games and why he involved her. Where does she find the note? What does it say? Pause your video and write your own additional note that Avery finds from Tobias. Next, let's think about Avery. What qualities does Avery have that makes her a good choice to inherit the fortune? In what ways do you think Avery is at an advantage in the games, and in what ways is she at a disadvantage? And consider, is Avery a player, or is she just a piece of the puzzle? Choose one of the tasks below. Either Avery's rules for survival, write down 5 personal rules that Avery needs to follow to survive the game. Or consider what symbol or item could be used to represent Avery's character. Or you might want to list some of Avery's choices and explain how they affect the game. Choose one of these tasks to complete, or you might want to complete all of them. Now let's think about the Hawthorne boys. Are the boys helping Avery or using her, or both? Can you rank the characters in order of their trustworthiness? So we have Grayson, Jameson, Nash, Xander, Thea and Rebecca, and then explain why you have chosen this order. For this, I would just focus your explanations on your most trustworthy and least trustworthy characters. What unanswered questions are you left with about any of the characters? Avery Kylie Grams was an anagram, which was why she was chosen for the games. Can you create an anagram of your own name? If you would like to complete some more activities on the inheritance games, there is an additional workbook on my Ko-fi page, which you can download for free.